Since the COVID-19 outbreak, multiple national lockdowns continued to stop the flow of raw materials to manufacturers and finished goods to end users, including the Sticklers line of clean clicker tools. But don't worry, Sticklers has you covered with some old school fiber cleaning tips until the clean clicker tool supply is back. We highly recommend a wet to dry cleaning process for both male and female connectors. Using this method enhances the cleaning ability, eliminates any static buildup which prevents particulate removal, and allows technicians to clean in a true one-pass process. For cleaning male patch cords, use Sticklers clean wipes and fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid. To clean, hold the wipe tight against the side of the box and remove any slack in the cloth. Following the direction listed on the side of the box, pull the connector across the wipe. The box accepts multi-fibers on a single wipe, and the color-coded panel helps you identify which section of cloth you've used, eliminating potential cross-contamination. To perform a wet to dry cleaning, simply apply a small amount of the cleaning fluid at the top of the wipe, using the extension tube supplied with the fluid. Place your connector in the wet section and pull it across the wipe into the dry section. It is best practice to discard the first wipe in the box if you've not used the product for some time. It is vital that you clean both ends of the mated pair. If you only clean one end and the other end is contaminated, the mated connectors will cross-contaminate and you could potentially ruin both end faces permanently. To clean female connectors, use Sticklers, clean sticks, and fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid. Tilt the can of fluid slightly. Insert the clean sticks into the side port and push down on the lid. Insert the clean sticks into the female connector, turn it clockwise 6 to 8 times, and remove. The tip retracts back into the handle of the tool and prevents damage to the fiber end face. When using a Sticklers clean sticks, make sure you only remove one stick at a time and reseal the protective sleeve. Otherwise, you run the risk of contaminating the remaining clean sticks. And never use the same stick more than once to avoid cross-contamination of the connectors. So, if you're having trouble locating clicker-style fiber optic cleaning tools, now is the time to kick it old school with original-style fiber optic cleaning tools available from Sticklers.